Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how you can go from zero to $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So how do you go from zero to $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing? Now, I'm talking about this. These numbers are real. They come from a lot of different people that have done this exact way. So, don't worry about that. This is how people actually do that. So, what you want to do is you want to promote two different types of offers. The very first one is high ticket offers, because these are offers that will make you a bunch of money right off the bat. So, a lot of people talk about this, and this is very true. If you sell a product for 500 bucks or 10,000 bucks, and I've talked about this before on this channel, that's how you're going to make some money fast. Because if you sell 10 items that are worth 1,000 bucks, then you're making 10,000 bucks. And if you sell that in a month, you're making 10,000 bucks a month. And there you are, you're rich by a lot of people's standards. And if you're Bill Gates, well, you're losing quite a bit. But that's not the point of this video. But most people think that $10,000 a month is big money, and I do too, obviously. So that's how you can scale easily to $10,000 a month, because all you have to do is sell 10 items, and that's not even one a day, and you're making big sales. So that's a very good way to scale very quickly. But there is another offer that is very interesting, another type of offer, and all of these you can find on ClickBank. If you look for a little bit, you can find offers like that, okay? And there are a ton of different ways to do that. Now there is another thing that you can do, and that takes you a little bit more time, but it's really worth it in the end, because what you're going to do is you're not going to sell high ticket sales. So what you're going to do this time is, instead of selling high ticket sales, which you can still do at the same time, instead what you do is you sell some lower ticket items, but these are membership ones. So they are recurring offers. So what happens there is, the first month you might be making $50. And that's not huge, like that's just $50. But the next month you still make that $50, but on top of that, if you make another sale, you make another $50. And that way you have two people giving you $50 each, so that's $100 a month. But if you sell one more, then it just scales and scales and scales, as long as people stay in the program. No matter if it's a software that they have to use, maybe it's an autoresponder. There's a ton of different offers that are that way. Maybe it's some courses that get updated quite a bit. There are a ton of different ways to do this. But if people pay every month and you get a commission every single month, you're just going to grow and grow and grow. And yes, some people will leave from time to time, but if you sell, maybe just like we said, 10 people $50, then you're making $500 a month. And if you do that the next day, you're making $1,000 a month, because all these people from the first month are still paying for that. So that's a very great way to do it. Obviously you can combine the two. I've seen a ton of people do that, but just like this is a good way, because once people are just paying every month, then it's just running on autopilot, and that is true passive income. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I put a video out. And also make sure you check out my other videos. I've got a ton of content for you guys. So I really hope that you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.